Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Ramirez Youth. I study in Academia Home School. I am in 7th grade, and this is my free activity from English. The topic is animals in danger of extinction. What is extinction of danger? Any animal species is considered in danger of extinction when its existence and reproduction cannot be developed in any part of the world. That is, it can never be seen again. This is my collage of the 15 animals that are in danger of extinction. The first is the white-headed tamarin. That is a monkey that the humans are deforesting his habitat, that is the tropical forest. The next is the tiger, that is a big and a beautiful cat that is in danger of extinction because the humans want his beautiful skin or his big flanks. And the next is the snow leopard that have the same problem like the tiger, that is that the people want his fangs or his beautiful skin. This snow leopard live in cold weather and have white hair or skin. The next is the jaguar, that is very same that the leopard or the tiger, that the people want his skin or his flanks. This is a beautiful animal. The next is the chimpanzee, that is a monkey that is in danger of extinction because the deforestation, same like the monkey that I said before. And this monkey is very intelligent and is very similar like the humans. The next is the elephant, that is a big mammal animal that is in danger of extinction because he have a big fangs and the people can kill him to have his fangs. The next is the solitary eagle, that is a bird that is in danger of extinction because the deforestation is his house or his habitat is not don't have trees, and he can live in that place because the birds don't stay in the sky all the time. He have to go down in a tree or in his house that is a tree. But if he don't have a tree, he can live. The next is the black caiman, that is one of my favorite animals. That is a big crocodile that is similar to a dinosaur, and he is in danger of extinction because his skin is similar like a dinosaur. Is a big trophy or thing that the humans want. The spectacle bird is a bird that lives in Colombia. It is very important, and we need to save him because he's in danger of extinction. The next is the sloth bear, that is a very slow animal that live in the trees, and the deforestation is he don't have a place to stay a tree, same like the solitary eagle. The slow-billed turtle, that is a coral reef system that this turtle live in the coral reef systems, and is very beautiful and is in danger of extinction. This is a manatee that are herbivores and marine mammals, and are in danger of extinction because the boats can crush the manatees and cut her skin, and he died because the boats go very fast and crush the manatees. The next is the cougar, that is very similar to the tiger or the jaguar. And the cougar is a native species of North America, and he is in danger of extinction. The golden frog, that is a golden frog that is poison and is very dangerous, and if you touch it, you can death. And it's an animal that is in danger of extinction. And this is the last animal, that is the grouper, that is a very strange animal, that is a big fish, and this fish that is very big, and his weight is about 200 kilos. Is very big. And this is my map of the unit 1 and 2, my learning, and that these are the new words that I see from me, and examples of present simple and past simple. Thank you.